Hello everyone, welcome to the C channel.
You're a superhero.
So we are outdoors here to unbox something very interesting. So today we will unbox my new TWS earphones. As you can see, these are my new TWS earphones. These are the PTRON bassbuds Pro. So first of all, let's see a short unboxing video.
Now let's unbox it. So here we get charging case, earbuds itself, instructions manual, type C charging cable, and finally some extra ear tips.
So now let's come to the initial impressions of the product. So this product has a plastic build, but it is very premium matte finish plastic build. The earbuds are also built of plastic, but they feel very premium, and they are quite small, very compact, and when you put them on your ear, they are quite comfortable, very comfortable, and you cannot notice that they are even on. Now coming to the sound quality. So now let's see a sound test of this product. I think you have heard a very good sound test of this product. So now coming to the price, it has a price tag of 1299 rupees, which is quite good for these earphones because they are much good when they are compared to their competitors.